You Can Do It presents Boho Chic Room Decor. Welcome to the wonderful world of Boho Chic Room Decor. If you're a fan of eclectic, colorful, and cozy spaces, you're in the right place. Boho Chic, short for Bohemian Chic, is all about expressing your unique personality and creativity through your home decor. The best part? You can achieve this look on a budget using thrifted items and fun DIY projects. Let's dive in and transform your space into a boho paradise. Before we start decorating, let's get a clear picture of what Boho Chic style is all about. This style is characterized by an eclectic mix of colors, patterns, and textures. Think of a blend of earthy tones, vibrant accents, and a variety of materials like wood, rattan, and fabrics. The boho style often incorporates cultural and vintage influences, making each space truly unique. Choosing a color palette. Boho Chic is flexible, but a well-thought-out color palette will help unify your space. Consider earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and mustard yellow, and add pops of jewel tones or vibrant accents for a lively look. Creating a mood board. Gather inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, and Instagram to create a mood board. This will help you visualize your ideas and stay focused when shopping for items and planning DIY projects. Identifying key pieces. Make a list of key pieces you want to find in thrift stores, such as vintage chairs, wooden tables, rugs, blankets, and decorative items like vases and wall art. Tips for successful thrifting. Thrifting is a treasure hunt, and with a few tips, you can find some real gems. Look for unique furniture pieces, textiles, and decorative items. Don't be afraid to take your time and visit multiple stores. Quality over quantity is key, so inspect items carefully for damage and potential upcycling opportunities. Assessing quality and potential. Check furniture for sturdy construction and fabrics for quality materials. Even if something needs a bit of TLC, consider if a DIY project can breathe new life into it. DIY projects for a boho chic room can really bring your personal touch into the space. Let's explore some simple DIY projects. First, consider a furniture makeover. You can repaint and distress old furniture to give it that vintage look that's so characteristic of boho chic. Next, why not try your hand at macrame? Creating wall hangings or plant hangers can add a lovely artisanal touch to your room. And if you're into sewing your own cushion covers or throw pillows with boho fabrics can be both fun and rewarding. Now, moving on to upcycling ideas. You could transform old crates into stylish shelving units or use vintage scarves or fabrics to make some unique curtains. These projects not only save money, but also help you create a space that truly reflects your style. Incorporating natural elements into your boho chic room is essential for bringing in that earthy, grounded feel. Adding greenery is a must. Houseplants not only enhance the aesthetic, but also improve air quality. Choose easy care plants like succulents, pothos, or ferns, and use thrifted pots and baskets as planters to add an authentic touch. When it comes to using natural materials, think wood, rattan, jute, and wicker in your furniture and decor. You might even consider creating DIY driftwood or branch art for a rustic, natural vibe. These elements can make your room feel more connected to nature and incredibly peaceful. Layering textures and patterns is all about mixing textiles. Combine different fabrics for a cozy, eclectic look. Layer rugs, throws, and pillows to add warmth and texture to your space. To create visual interest, mix and match global-inspired prints, florals, and geometric patterns to keep the eye engaged and create a dynamic space. Adding personal items is crucial. Your boho chic room should reflect your personality. Display travel souvenirs, family photos, and handmade items. These personal touches make your space feel like home. When customizing thrifted pieces, add your own flair with paint, stenciling, or embroidery. Lighting and ambiance are key to setting the right mood. Use a mix of floor lamps, table lamps, and string lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. To further enhance the cozy, bohemian vibe, incorporate candles, fairy lights, and lanterns. And there you have it. With a bit of planning, some thrifted treasures, and a few DIY projects, you can create a stunning boho chic room that's uniquely yours. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through. Happy decorating!